Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to add Google account on Samsung S25. Let's begin. In order to add your Google account, we want to go into settings, scroll down a little, maybe not that far, and here we have Google services. We want to go into it, and now we can press sign in, as it will basically detect that we don't have any Google account, or if we do have one Google account, we can go to accounts and backup, manage accounts, add account, Google account, and it will do the same thing. Now we need to input our current email. For me it's for test only, but with double Y's and the number 2 on it. And fun fact, you don't have to manually type in like the gmail.com part, it's just not worth it. And now we want to input our current password, so I will quickly do that. So I have successfully input my passwords. Now I hit next, and we should be logged in. Now we are choosing if we or our child will be using this device. If we will set my child, then we'll go also through the family link configuration. It's pretty bad thing, I'm not going to do that. I very dislike this function. And now we have some Google services that you can agree to using. I won't back up the device data, but you as a normal user probably should do that. So we'll hit accept, and now our Google account is successfully added to our phone. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.